behind the scenes. We're about 30 minutes out before the big show. We're going to talk about our top story involving an 88-year-old woman who was scammed. She was approached by a guy in a Walmart parking lot who said what, Jason?
He said, "I've been waiting for you. I need to fix your car." And she said, "What's wrong with it?" He said, "It's broken. I can fix it for $3,000. She gave him the money,
No
and
way.
he disappeared.
And she's talking tonight.
And she's talking tonight,
Jason.
so others won't get scammed.
All right, Jason Valentine's got that story. Let's go over to Fields now. Fields, look at him, hard at work. Fields, what are you working on this way?
We covered that chase all afternoon. It was
Yeah.
more than an hour out there. Chase had an 18-year-old driver allegedly behind the wheel, so we kind of see how it ends. We've got a shot of him going into the jail, have more information about maybe why he took that car in the first place.
All right, good stuff. One more thing. It is getting crazy at the theaters right now. Check out, let me run this video. We've got the video of the lines for Twilight midnight showing. Everybody's lining up already. We've got all of these stories coming up on the news at 9 and 10.